Welcome viewers to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about my experience at this year's SquatchCon 2025, an Olympic Peninsula cosplay, comic, gaming, and fan culture event that was held in Port Angeles, Washington. Featured over 60 local artists and vendors, including myself, a panel series with artists and industry leaders, an all-ages cosplay contest, workshops, fan meetups, 3 swap events with cosplay, comics, and kids books, and multiple after-hours parties. The first day pretty much started out as setup and a little free preview for people to come on in and see what SquatchCon was all about. So I decided to go around and see what everybody else had at their tables as they were setting up. Everyone was super friendly, so it was really easy to see everything. I know you! Clearly having a little too much fun. But as I made my way around the tables, I knew that I was going to make some fast friends with all the rest of the vendors and artists. We sure did have a lot in common.
It's day 2 of Comic-Con, and here we are from 12 to 8. And I'm really excited because there's a lot more vendors today than there was yesterday, so woohoo! Yay, vendors! So let's take a tour of what's here, shall we?
Day 2 had a lot more people setting up, so it was really cool to see all the new things. Not everybody was there just yet, but it was showing up and seeing what everyone had was probably the most fun. I should also mention that even though I didn't film it, they had some super amazing food outside. I indulged in some fries with pulled pork and mustard sauce that was really finger-licking amazing. One of the cool things about this con was that there was a whole bunch of people dressed up really amazingly. They were so funny, and I think I may have found a friend.
Day 3 of SquatchCon. Here we are with all our friends and vendors. Today is a full day, 10 to 6 o'clock. There's going to be a lot of panels and interesting things. I will try to get around to the stuff that I haven't filmed so you guys can see.
So as you can see, Squatch was around. He appeared on Saturday, which was really cool. Look how tall he is. Do you think he could be my boyfriend? I don't know. Also outside, they had some games set up, like I think it was laser tag, which looked really fun. And then on the side, they had mini golf. All the fun is really at SquatchCon. You should come next time. As I was walking in, it wouldn't be complete if I didn't find a Sasquatch. And look at that.
Oh my gosh, I found you! It's there! Ah! Yay! Oh, it's okay. It's alright. Aww. You're in my favorite Thor. Thank you for being so evil. Thank you. It is day 4 of SquatchCon 2025, the last day. Energy is falling, but I'm gonna try to keep it up. But hopefully we'll have a nice busy day like we did yesterday, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun and see a lot of different costumes.
I can't believe I totally forgot to show you all the cosplay costumes that were on display. Most of them were made from recycled materials, so it was pretty neat to see them set up on display.
And
we are done. We are done with SquatchCon. We are all cleaning up. The rush to leave is on. Thanks for joining us. Till next year. Bye. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next year. Thanks to the organizers. Bye.